Hello and welcome back. This is Steve at Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. We're doing a world coin hunt today, which I've designated World Coin Hunt 16. The first coin we have is a Costa Rican. It's a 100 colons, which is COLONES, from 2014. This side shows you the year, the country and the coat of arms of the country. On the back we have, or on the reverse, we have the value of the coin. This 2014 coin has a mintage of 40 million. The next coin, in the hunt, is from Cyprus. It is a 20-cent coin from 1998. On this side we have the coat of arms of the country, the year, and the name of the country. On the reverse we have a portrait, the man's portrait and the value. The man's portrait is Zeno of Citan. He was a philosopher. The mintage is 5 million for the 1998 coin. We stay in Greece for this coin. This is a 50 drachma coin from 1988. On the front there we have Aristotle, who was a philosopher. He was alive between 1384 and 1322 BC. On the reverse we have the value of the coin. We have the country and also the ship, the Greek ship, one of the Greek ships. The mintage for this coin is 30,273,000. It's an India coin. It shows the Ashika pillars, the lion pillars, with the year and the country name. This is a 10 rupee coin from 2017. On the reverse of this bimetallic coin we have the value in numerals, and also in the Indian, one of the Indian languages. I'm not sure which one. But that's a 10 rupee coin. We have no mintage for this 2017 coin. Okay, the next one is a coin from Italy. We have a lady's face, a lady's head portrait, and Italy as a country. This coin is a 100 lira from 1979. On the back we'll have the year of the coin, the value of the coin, and Minerva at the olive tree. The mintage of this coin is 351,583,600. The next coin is Godwin I, Godwin I from Belgium. It's a 20 franc coin from 1981. We have on the reverse the year, the value, and I believe that's to be an olive branch if my research is correct. The mintage of this 1981 20 franc coin is 60 million. Now we get back to a really old coin. This coin is from 1887. It is Victor Emmanuel III. It's a 5 lira coin. On the reverse, although you can't see it too clearly, we have the Savoy coat of arms with a supreme wreath with a loyal order of the most holy Annunciate. The mintage for this year was 4,409,657. Next coin is a bimetallic coin from Italy. Nice coin. It's one we've seen before. It's from 1990. It shows on the reverse, it shows you the 500 lira at the bottom here. The square is a square in Rome called the Piazza della Quinquala, That's Quirunale. The mintage for this coin is is 130 million. The one thing I do want to point out on this coin, which is unusual because we don't get many of them, is across the top here there is a whole load of braille. This will allow people who are blind to be able to get this coin and value it and know what it's all about. I think that's a fairly neat idea and will help out people who are, through no fault of their own, through no fault of their own, are not able to decipher what coins they've got in their change, simply because even with the different sizes you can't always tell. You get two or three that have very close sizes and it's very difficult for you to tell the value. 1951 Ceylon, 25 cents. We have on the front, on the obverse there, King George VI, wearing the imperial and the emperor crown. On the back, on the reverse of it, you have a crown with a date on there above the value and the feather, country and year. The mintage for this coin is 25,940,000. That's 25,940,000. The next coin in this lot is a Belgium coin from 1952. It's the head of Cenes, that's C-E-N-E-S, and then down this one side you have a cornucopia. On the reverse you have an oak stem with 1 franc either side of the one and FR on the other side of the stem, and then a crown above the stem. The mintage for this 1952 coin is 53,205,000. The next coin in this hunt is a Queen's Beatrix 5-cent coin from 1994 from the Netherlands. You have Queen Beatrix on this side, then on the reverse you have the value and you have the date and a pattern behind the value. The mintage for this coin is 4 million. Next one is a 1 baht coin from Thailand. The date, as best I can decipher, is 2005. On the front is Rama the 9th, and on the reverse is the Bangkok Monastery. The mintage for this coin is 1,137,820,000. That is some mintage. The next one is a 1 yen from Japan. The best I can decipher this is 1998. You have a bamboo shoot as the reverse, and the mintage on this coin was unbelievably 1,268,842,000. Can you imagine that if you had a mechanical press doing all those? Wow. It'd take you a year to do it, wouldn't it? There you go. The next one is General Franco. It's a 5 peseto coin from 1957. You have the year on this one, and you also have the portrait of Franco and the name of the country. On the reverse here we have the coat of arms, and we have the year and the value. The value and the coat of arms. The star on this one actually has 57 printed in it, so the actual year of money, the year that's on the front is also the year of mintage. The next one is from Yugoslavia. It's quite a thin coin. It's a 20 para coin from 1975. On this side we have the coat of arms of the country and also the country's name. On the reverse we have the value and the year. The 20 para coin from 1975 has a mintage of 44,683,000. Next we have two coins from Germany. I'll put them both together. They are slightly different mintage and value. The smaller one is a 1 pfennig. The large one is a 10 pfennig. The 10 pfennig is from 1950 and it has the oak leaf on the side. The 1 pfennig is from 1981. Both are J marked mint marks, which make them a Hamburg minted coin. On the reverse of both the coins is the valuation, and you have a wheat sheaf going around them. The 1981 pfennig, 1 pfennig coin, has a mintage of 189,090,000. The 10 pfennig has a mintage of 402,452,000. We then have a Romanian coin from 2016 with a value of 10 bani. We have the year, the coat of arms of the country, name on this one, and then on this side we have the valuation. There is no mintage figures for this valuation. The next coin is from Malaysia. It is a 5 cent coin from 2013. You have geometric patterns on this side, and then on the adverse side you have the hibiscus flower, the value and the year. There are no mintage figures for this coin. There it is. Here is 25 colons. It's from Costa Rica from the year 2005. It's a bit grubby, a bit knocked about. On this side you have the valuation, and on this side you have the coat of arms of Costa Rica, the name of the country and the year. The year being 2005. So, and the mintage figure is 30 million exactly. Right, we have now completed this coin hunt. I'd like to thank you for staying with me. If you have enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up, and if you haven't already subscribed, could you please think about doing so. I'm trying to get my subscribers up to 100 by Christmas or more if possible. So if you'd like to subscribe and follow my journey through coins and banknotes, I would be extremely grateful. For those of you having a coin hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you find the coins you're looking for. For those of you who are buying coins, I hope you can get the coins you want for the price you want to pay. I do 4 videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something over the next week that you'll wish to look and view. And in the meantime, until we meet up again on this channel, thank you for watching and bye bye. Ta-ra now.